If you think that traveling the world and earning money from your laptop is a lifestyle that you want to live, then keep watching. So that in the next 30 days, you'll be able to book your first flight out of the country that you're currently living in. You head on over to your Instagram account, which I know that you have, and you're going to change your bio to an offer statement. An offer statement is essentially when someone clicks on your profile, they're going to read it and they're going to think, oh, I want that. You want to have at least 6 photos and show off you and show off that you're a real person, show off that you're not a fake account. You only want to follow one type of account that you want to be reaching out to. So you can do an e-commerce brand, you can do local dentists, you can do real estate, you can pick whatever type of business that you want to perform this service for, and then you want to start following them so that in your explore page, when you refresh it, you get new potential clients every single time. So what I like to do is I like to go onto the page of the client that I want to reach out to and find a product. So this is called the Mino hair growth oil. Now that I know what the product is called, I'm going to go into the DM and I'm going to ask a question about that product. So in here I ask, does it come with a refund guarantee? She'll know what that means. Here's an example that I did earlier. I ask, is the acne clearing kit a 100% natural product? And then I scheduled a call with her for 3 p.m. EST. The point of this call is to ask the business owner questions about their life and business and collect a payment from them, guaranteeing that you're going to get them towards the reality that they want to live, and your service is the way that they're going to get there. As soon as you collect the payment from the client, you're then going to send them your service agreement contract, and then you're going to ask them to sign it. Click on the link in my bio for a free ebook breaking down exactly how to perform the service for the client, and rinse and repeat this DM process every single day for the next 30 days. And I guarantee that you're going to get paid at least £1,000. You'll be able to book a flight, keep going, keep making money online, and start living the digital nomad lifestyle.